Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today we'll see how to bake a Japanese Hokkaido bread. I've already put the Hokkaido bread with egg in my channel. Today we'll see how to bake an eggless version of Japanese milk bread. If you're new to my channel and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like the video, please do let me know by clicking the like button. This bread is very soft and the crumb is so delicate. My family loves this bread. Hope you will also like it. Here I have taken 450 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. From this we'll remove 3 tablespoons of the flour to make the pudding. That is the Tangzhong. We make this bread using the Tangzhong method. First we'll prepare the Tangzhong using 3 tablespoons of flour and 180 ml of water. We'll mix the flour and water without any lumps, and we'll cook this to make a pudding. Keep stirring the mixture till it thickens and reaches this consistency, and allow it to cool down a little. Now into the flour we'll add 1 teaspoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 100 ml of milk, give it a mix. We'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we'll add the prepared pudding, the Tangzhong, into the flour. It is this Tangzhong that makes the crumb so delicate. Give it a mix. And then we'll add 80 milliliter of curd or yogurt. Here I have taken homemade curd. Stir it well to form a shaggy mass of dough. If you want to make a Hokkaido bread with egg, it is there in the channel. Please do check out. I'll put a link in the description box. Let us transfer the dough onto the countertop and knead it to make it soft and elastic. We'll knead the dough using the stretch and fold method. In case you want to use your hand mixer, you can do that. I have done some few bread videos where I've used the hand mixer to knead the dough. Today I'm using my hand to knead the dough. We'll first do the stretch and fold method. The dough has to be kneaded for about 15 to 20 minutes till it becomes soft and elastic. Now the dough is very sticky. As we knead, the dough will become soft. At this point, try not to add more flour. Please check out my channel to see other bread videos. Now, since the dough is quite sticky, we can use the slap and fold method also to knead the dough. This is the slap and fold method. Like this also, by rolling the dough like this, it is easy to knead the dough. So we can use different techniques. So now the dough has become quite elastic. See how the dough is stretching. Now into this we'll add in 40 grams of butter. We'll add the butter in 2 batches and knead it well into the dough. Initially the dough will again break a little, but then by kneading we have to make it soft and elastic. Now the dough has come together and it has become quite elastic. We need to knead it for some more time. Just rotate the dough like this. On the counter. That will make the dough come together and become very soft. Now the dough is almost ready to be proofed. See how the dough has become soft and supple. Now we'll transfer this into a well-greased bowl and allow it to rest for about 1 to 1.5 hours till the dough becomes double in size. Cover it with a cling film or a wet damp towel. Now the dough has risen well. When you poke the dough, see the dough is collapsing. That means the dough has risen well. The proofing is enough. We'll give it a short knead and transfer it onto the counter to shape the bread. The bread can be just shaped as one log. Here I am dividing it into 4 equal parts and shaping the bread. Make tight balls out of each portion. Keep it aside and cover it with a damp towel so that the dough doesn't dry off. Similarly, make all the 4 balls. Here I have taken a 9x5 loaf tin, greased well. Now we'll roll this out. Fold it in like this, and from the other end also we'll fold it in. Press it nicely. Now roll it tightly and pinch the edges well so that it doesn't open up. And we'll transfer this into the greased loaf tin. Similarly, we'll make all the 4 rolls. Now we'll allow it to rest till it doubles in size for around 30 to 45 minutes. Cover it with a damp cloth. Now it is well risen. We'll apply some milk wash. Add a teaspoon of sugar in the milk and apply it, and we'll bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes in a preheated oven. Now the bread is beautifully baked. we'll brush it with melted butter or ghee. We'll remove the bread from the pan when it is still hot, otherwise it will become soggy due to condensation, and allow it to cool thoroughly before slicing. Please do try the recipe and let me know how it turns out. Would love to see your comments and feedbacks in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.